Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda, and it's just a quick tip for today. I'm making relish. So, I've got this big blue bowl. I'm putting my cucumbers in here, and I like them in chunks. And I've got videos on making relish on Deep South and on Crazy Days, maybe, I don't know. But my tip, when you've got cucumbers this size or bigger, I cut both ends off. I slice them open. And I don't like a lot of the big seeds in mine, so I trim that out like this. Now, what I've been doing is trimming each one of them like this. I've got a whole bunch of strips. See? All this is just the seeds. So what I'm gonna do with the seeds is I'm gonna lay them out on a cookie sheet, I'm gonna freeze them, and I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag. Now I have in my recipe book, new one coming out, but the same recipes will be in it except I will add a lot more, is a sassy water, where you use cucumbers and mint and lemon and make a refreshing water to drink during the summer. It also helps you cleanse, so it's got good purposes, just saying. But with these cucumbers, I'm gonna lay them out on a cookie sheet, let them freeze. When I want sassy water, I'll take these out and drop it over in it. They will be frozen, but dual purpose, always dual purpose. With this, I'm going to take, with my Ninja, I'm gonna create a drink, and my cucumbers will already be frozen, so instead of ice cubes, I will be putting frozen cucumber in it. I will probably go out and get some of my fresh mint, and I don't have lemon, or I might have some lemon cubes. I'll get my frozen lemon cubes, I think, that I have, or I will use my essential oils from doTERRA and put a drop or two of lemon in it and make a refreshing, cool drink with frozen cucumbers. So guys, if you're making relish, or any time that you don't want the seeds in your cucumbers, freeze them, put them in a Ziploc, use them for smoothies. Great tip. I think so. You guys have fun. I'll talk to you later. I've got a cookbook to work on.